Hi, Lawrence from WRS. We're looking today at how do you pack rope into your Chaos throw bag, and then how do you fit that to your belt. Here we have a Chaos Rapid bag. It's first sold empty. We also have provided a length of rope which is ideally suited to the bag that you're purchasing. This is a step-by-step how-to that you'll find on the information card printed on the Chaos throw bag range. The first job is unpack your throw bag and tie a figure-of-8 knot into the tail end of the rope. Turning the throw bag inside out, take a hold of the loop on the inside, and we're going to thread through this section, passing the rope underneath. I then reroute on a rethreaded figure-of-8, following the line of the rope. Once finished, I should end up with around a hand's width of tail, and we advise to have a short loop cinched into the bag, meaning that we have a small attachment point for a carabiner on the far side once we re-invert the bag. Re-inverting the bag, take hold of it, pull it all the way through. I'm now ready to start packing the throw bag. The Chaos bag is specially designed to hold the opening nice and wide while you pack it. Our advice is, if you can, pass the rope over your shoulder, and this will allow you to pass the rope equally into the bag without too much trouble. I'm using a pushing method and my free finger to trap the rope to stop it from falling out as I gain progress with packing. Once I get around about a third packed, if I feel like I'm going to compress, I can take a hold of the bag and I can tap it on my foot. This compresses the rope down to the bottom of the bag, and I can resume packing the bag. I'm now about just over half full. I give it another tap on my foot to keep the bag compressed and resume packing. Once I'm near the end, I push the remaining rope into the bag and then feed the tail end into the top. You may either choose to leave this out for easy identification. Some people put the tail end in, which will obviously avoid it from becoming unraveled accidentally. I then can pull and cinch the bag using the clip and webbing buckle system. Now the bag is fully packed, I'm ready to look at fitting it into the belt. So we're now going to look at how do we fit the Chaos belt to the bag and also fit this effectively to our waist to avoid slippage. First job is to select the correct belt size for your bag. Here we have a zipper which expands the Chaos belt. If you're a Rapid bag user, which is the smaller of the two bags, then you'll need to keep the zip fastened. If you're a Chaos bag user with the larger of the two bags, then you will need to unzip the bag to expand the bag's belt system. Before fitting the belt, it's worthwhile putting on the correct equipment that you would wear for deployment. Once we're suitably dressed, we can adjust the buckle with the tri-glides to ensure that we get a complete fit around the body. To allow ease of fitting, you can rotate the belt around to the front, take your bag, sliding it into the pocket of the belt. Once the bag is fully inserted into the belt, fasten the left and right buckles to secure the bag into the belt. Rotate the bag round to the back of the waist, and at this point here it's worth checking to make sure that you are happy with the fit around your waist, and if you need to, you can also pull the fastening buckles on either side to fully secure the bag onto your waist. I can always check to make sure that the bag is correctly fitted, and I can do that by undoing my fastening, pulling my bag out, and you will notice that the belt doesn't change form. It's correctly fitted to my waist when I have the bag external. The Chaos belt also features a quick release system. Should the bag or the belt become entangled in the water, you can pull the quick release buckle, ejecting the whole belt system from the user. It's worth noting that if you're putting a smaller amount of rope in your bag, the bag will be easy to pack, but it also won't fit the belt system correctly. This can cause the bag and the belt to separate. This is where it's very important to check the website for the ideal length and diameter of the rope for each of our bags if using the Chaos belt. Using the systems we've shown you will keep your users safe and lead to a successful rescue.